Hello. So this is our second test for the uSDX SDR that we are using with WA2EBY HFM and dummy load, and we have the ND7DCC ATU, the digital ATU, which will tell us how much power we are getting on this 50 ohms 200 watt dummy load. So the dummy load is we have one which is around which is for 200 watts. We are not testing 200 watts. We are going to put out around 30 to 35 watts. So let us test now and see how much power we are going to get on 7 megahertz. So the uSDX is set on 7 megahertz. Filter is also set on 40 meters. So we have got no reading on the ATU as yet. So let us begin. This is the SX200, which we are not using. We did use it in the earlier test. So let us see now. This is our PTT mic. So let us see how much power we are getting on the uSDX on 7 megahertz. Hello, CQ. Hello, CQ. Testing USDX on 7 megahertz. So it was 30 watts. 30 watts was the reading for the uSDX. So now let us test it on 14 megahertz. Okay, so now we are on 14 megahertz, and I've set it on let us set it on 14 point. Move this forward, so we will test it on 14.1. Here's our amp. The filter is set for 20 meters, and the antenna tuner presently shows no reading. So let us start and see how much power we are getting. Hello test. Hello, testing. Hello. This is a test. Hello. This is a test for uSDX on 14 megahertz. This is a test of uSDX on 14 megahertz with the digital antenna tuner. Hello. So see, we are getting an output of 25 watts. It peaks to 27 watts. So we have checked two bands. I do have one more band. My filter is also set for the 15 meter band. So now let me test what I'm getting on 15 meter band.